So I've already given you a little intro and some instruction on the light boxes and how to use that menu light box, but I'm going to show you how to set up a light box. Now, this is really handy if you ever have something that you want to announce, have a pop-up on a either on a page or on all of the pages. So I'm going to show you from the beginning how to do that. So we want to come in here to add elements and interactive, and then light boxes. So you can see here we've got a couple different, you can do like so this is the one I typically use for the side menu. You can do a promotion, a contact. So we can just, let's go ahead and do this subscribe one. Okay, so obviously that doesn't look really pretty. It doesn't look anything like we want our site to look. So I'm going to go here through here and edit this really quick. So first thing I'm going to do is change that overlay background. We don't really like that color, so let's just go ahead and do white. And you can have it block out the whole site, but usually I like to have it be kind of like this so they could still see the site, but not as much. So that's changing the overlay. We just come in here and change. Let's go ahead and do like we're having, let's put one of our products in here. Use image. So you can come through here and change that design. So again, maybe that color actually doesn't look too bad, but maybe we just want that to be white in the back. And then just come through here and obviously go through and change all of your text and everything how you want it. Where's my text I use on here? I think it's, there we go, Lady Clementine. So again, you can just kind of, this has actually a subscriber form. So if you wanted something like that, so you can just go through here and edit this the way you would edit your website. But the other thing I want to show you that's really important with these light boxes is this set triggers. So number one, you want to decide, and you might want to rename it. Do you want this to pop up automatically? So we're going to say yes for now, just so I can show you how that works. So yes, so this is when you come to a site and that pops up. That's what that means. So we're going to go ahead and choose which page. So you can have it choose, the first page a visitor sees, or maybe you just want a specific page. So maybe you're just having specials on your facial services and you want it on that page. So let me show you on the site. Actually, let's go out of here. There we go. So you see it just pops up. Now, one thing I noticed is I don't see the close button on here. Definitely need to do that. Where is it at? So this is where I'm going to be fancy and go into my, there we go. So this is kind of another little extra expert thing. I couldn't find that close button, and you can see here that it's hidden for some reason. So I'm going to recenter that. And now I see that close button. So we're going to go ahead and put that up into the corner there, and probably want to change the color or design of it. So there we go. So that's what it's going to be like if it pops up automatically. Now, obviously, the other choice, let's get to where it says set triggers, is no. So that's going to be that we're going to, excuse me, link it to something. So let's go ahead and, close out of here. And I'm actually going to show you another kind of cool trick here. So let's go ahead and add actually, you know what? Let's do one of the buttons that are on here that look nice. Let's go ahead and do this button. Let's go ahead and copy this. This is going to be a 2-for-1 video because I'm going to show you something else kind of cool. So let's say, and make this so that it's a little lighter. Okay, so let's say we're going to call this um, sign up for our newsletter. Okay. And what I'm going to do, again, this is going to be a little 2-for-1, is I'm actually going to pin this to the screen. And then you can see these offset buttons here. So let's put it kind of right in the corner here. And if you want, you can even actually have this on all the pages. But what this is going to do, this is kind of cool. And then let's go ahead and link this to our Lightbox. And I'll show you how this looks. So now if we preview this, This is going to stay on your site here. So that's kind of cool. And then if you click on this, then it's going to bring up that light box. So that's just kind of another way to use that feature. And you guys can play around with that and do different light boxes. Again, you can really get super creative now that you have some knowledge and some confidence for editing these sites.